it's Duni here. Today I'm sharing a fun and easy art journal spread with a messy background using acrylic inks. I've selected a couple of inks: magenta, sky blue, turquoise and yellow ochre. First, I spray the right side with water and then simply drop in the ink in random places. I smoosh the ink around with a round brush until most of the page is covered. Now comes the fun part. I flip the other side down onto the right page and press firmly with my hand. This reminds me of what I did in kindergarten, and I remember it was fun then as well. So why not let your inner child come out and play? Okay, let's continue with the spread. Once this has dried, I'm going to add some stenciling. I'm using a dot stencil with bright yellow paint and then continue with another stencil using bright aqua. I dab the paint on with a makeup sponge, and once finished, I drop the sponge in a jar with clean water. This prevents the paint from hardening and making the sponge unusable. I feel like the spread needs some splatters with black ink. I leave this to dry and then I go back in with a text stamp for additional interest. My focal image is from my pre-made collage fodder stash. I like to give my leaves some sort of a ground to sit on, so I grab some random pieces out of my scrap basket and glue everything down with a glue stick along with a sentiment. As a finishing touch, I add some more splatters with white acrylic ink using a fan brush. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye!